Welcome back. In the last video, we pretty much created the infrastructure for we're almost done with the UI for our register page. We just need to add the copyright page. Not the copyright page, the copyright at the bottom. And also, I want to add the show and hide icon to our password field. So that way it makes it look a little bit more passwordy, if that makes any sense. All right, so let's get to that. Oh, and I also want this to be closer to the right. So over here, instead of justify, we're gonna do justify content. Justify content. Like that. Container, justify content, flex end. Oh, that didn't work. Huh. It did work. I just needed the page to reload. Okay. All right. So let's do a little bit of investigation to see how we're gonna add the visibility and invisibility buttons here. So we're gonna go to MUI.com. We're gonna search text fields. And we're gonna look at their API. So what do we need? What do we need? What do we need? We need this. We need this. This is what we need. So let's look at how they have it. So this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So it's input, adornment, position, end. Okay. Text field. Let's put that here. Is that correct? Something I'm missing here. Let's see. Ah, yeah, I was missing something. So it's end adornment. And inside that, put the input adornment. So like this, close that. And it's triggering something. Input adornment, I did not import that, so let's go ahead and import it so our error message can disappear. Input adornment. Let's see what our baby looks like now. So this is not working, and I had it wrong. I need, I believe, hold on, let me check something. Believe this one. Like this, I think. But that's gonna put it in the start though, which is fine. Okay. So let's say end. Okay, so this is working. Um, let's do end. Push it a little bit further out. Okay, and now let's add the visibility. Well, let's do this for now. Baby steps. Okay. On click. Alert. Hello. Hello. Okay. Okay, so I'm thinking something here. Since there's two of them that I'm gonna need to do, let's do this. Show password, set show password. Instead of true or false, we're gonna do password false and confirm password false. So now, over here, let's do on click. Okay. On click, we're gonna say set show password. Let me see if that's, yes, set show password. We're gonna do, we're gonna deconstruct show password. Okay. And then we're gonna say password is equal to show password dot password. And over here, we're going to do type. Actually, let's bring it down here. We're gonna do type. We're gonna do show password dot password. Okay. If we're showing the password, it's going to be text. If we're not, it's going to be password, the type. So let's see. And voila. So last thing we have to do is we need to, when we click, we need to change this as well. Change the icon. So, we're gonna do show password. Password. It's gonna be visibility icon else, so you can see it like that. Actually, I got that backwards. Let's just do this. Okay, show password, not show password, show password. Okay, so now this is working. Let's go ahead and do the same thing here, but make some changes. Let's do confirm password instead. Okay. Just do confirm password and type. All right. So each of them work individually to each other. Okay. Okay. So far, so good. Last but not least, what we're going to do is we need to do some input verification here. All right. So let's do that. Oh, before we do that, let's do const handle register. And we're gonna pass this to our button here. Let's pass this to our button on the on click. absolute sucker for proper indentation, so please bear with me. On click, handle register. Now when I click on it, let's see if it'll give us, let's say, alert, JSON string, stringify. Let's do user. Let's give it some formatting. And here we go. As you'll notice right now, I can't change anything, and that's because I forgot to remove this disable true. And now we're good. I can make changes. So you'll see over here, my password is not equal to my confirmed password. So we need to change those. But we'll do that in the next video.